Hi there! Today I want to give my opinion about 3 new breakthrough devices that everybody seems to be talking about. Honestly, never had I felt so amazed by new gadgets in the same year. I'm not an engineer, but when I saw Acer's new AI laptop, I couldn't believe how powerful it looked. My old computer had been running slowly for months, so when I watched the demo I thought, wow, I really should have saved up for this, instead of wasting money on repairs. Then I read about the SwitchBot AI Hub with its little robot pets. At first I laughed because it seemed like something only rich people would buy. On the other hand, I realized that smart homes had been becoming part of everyday life, and this device might actually make things easier. My friends said the company could have focused on practical tools instead of robot animals, but I kind of like the fun side of it. Finally, the Samsung Galaxy S25 Edge really caught my attention. I had been using the same phone for years, and honestly, it was getting old. This new Samsung looked like something that must have been designed for people who want both style and power. Moreover, it's so thin and modern that I feel it represents the future of smartphones more than anything else I've seen this year. As a result, I'm not saying I'll buy all 3, but it feels like technology is finally thinking about real people's needs. In contrast to the usual boring upgrades, these devices look like they could actually change my daily life.